Hello, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're staying on the strip for our grand night out, and we got a king-size suite here at the Palazzo on the Vegas Strip, so come get lost with us in some suites. Okay, so first off, this room looks immaculate just from the hallway. You've got this nice big walkway right when you first walk in, which is really nice. We stay in a lot of hotels, and a lot of times from the door to the rest of the room, there's not a whole lot of space to really get your luggage in and out of the room. And this is actually really nice. In all the lights, you can actually master light switch all of them right from the door, which is also a huge thumbs up. So let's get started in the bathroom. So here we are. This bathroom is absolutely huge. It's probably bigger than my bathroom at home, I have to say. It comes with just a tub. It's not jetted or anything. And then you've also got a standard shower. It's not the biggest shower, but it looks pretty nice. We'll have to try that out later. Also, another feature is the rug on the bottom of the floor. Like, it's just a nice little personal touch that's kind of added to the room. There's little hanging towels on either side. There's this very fancy soap dish here. And also, in case you wanted to, you got a non-working TV in the bathroom. This is real, folks. This is real. Probably because, you know. Anyways, doesn't turn on. But if it did, you'd have a TV here that you can watch from the bathtub, which is kind of nice, or the shower. The other nice thing, too, is they have a vanity. And the mirror actually, should at least turn on, so you have different light settings. Those that know. And back in there is the toilet closet, so that way you don't have to bother everybody else if you just need to use the bathroom but somebody else needs to get ready. And in case you want room service or need to dial 911 from the toilet, it's right there. All right, let's head out into the living space. Okay. So one thing to note about the Palazzo and the Venetian, pretty much every room is considered a suite here. And if you sign up for their rewards, you can almost get a room as cheap as $100 a night if you go in the off season or during the middle of the week. So think about that when you're planning your trip down to Vegas. You always want to try and get the best price. And on the weekends, that's usually when you're going to pay $300, $400, $500 a night for these rooms. So looking around, this is a very spacious room. This is actually probably bigger than our bedroom at home because there's actually room to walk around the king-size bed. But it's pretty nice, I have to say. Over here we have a nice storage closet with Venetian robes, but they're not labeled. They're just generic. Oh, no, they are.
The Venetian.
It says the Venetian right there. And then in here, there's actually little receipts if you want to have your stuff dry cleaned. There's the ironing board, there's the safe, there's all of that goodies. And then we've actually got some more feminine hangers, which is kind of a nice touch. So yeah, definitely attention to detail here from what I can see. So that is the bed. We've got nightstands on either side. There's actually a dresser on that side and just kind of like a circular table over here, which is interesting. So looking over to the other side of the room, we've got the Winnie bar area with our ice bucket, wine glasses, and then your regular cups there, so you can kind of pre-game in the room if you'd like. Down here, these are all drawers. No place for a mini fridge down here. And then we have this nice big TV up on the wall. Now we're going to come down into the living area, which I have to say is pretty nice. Like, again, we stay in a lot of hotels, and this is probably one of the biggest standard hotel room I've ever stayed in. We've got a nice big L-shaped couch over here. Got a nice little dining spot that you can have room service delivered and have breakfast or dinner in your room, whichever you please. And then this nice big workstation over here that actually has quite a few plugs, I have to say, and some USB plugs on it as well. Let's see if I can. Nice little lamp there. And then this is the in-suite dining menu, which we'll probably take a look at in a little bit. Maybe we'll get breakfast, who knows? And then over here, this is our view. You can't really see it in the dark, but that's a golf course. And then we're just kind of looking out into the Vegas Valley.
Yeah, there's the big ball over there. It's not lit up tonight.
Nope. Soon we will have that big sphere. Right there is the Wynn, and behind it is the Encore.
Nice.
And we'll get another view when the sun comes out tomorrow to kind of show you guys what our view was. But we are almost to the top. We're on the 40th floor, so we're pretty high up here in Vegas country.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's time for us to kind of test the bed out a little bit. So I'm just gonna, my shoulder hurts, so we're not gonna jump. She'd be firm. We know we like a good firm bed. I don't think it's very squishy, which I may find a little sad. But not bad. Let me see about the pillows. Ooh, the pillows are nice and firm. Slowly losing air. Yeah, I think the pillows feel pretty good. So we'll have to let you guys know in our final thoughts what we thought about sleeping in this bed.
So make sure to stay tuned.
So we'll come get you. All right, y'all. So here at the Palazzo / Venetian, they take care of you. I ordered room service. We were right. It was $100 before tip, but can't put a price on eating in your room, I guess. Anyways, so not only do they bring it to you, but they set it up. So, I mean, we didn't do anything super crazy. We got some fries, we got some chicken wings, we got some chicken tenders, and we got some sodas, and we got dips. Nothing super crazy, but we have this fantastic view out here, and I think we're gonna dim the lights and just kind of have dinner, late night snack with the city lights. So yeah, and hello, you can see me through the reflection. So.
All right, here's our view from outside. There's that globe that we were talking about. They worked on it all night. You could hear them. There's the plane. But here's the rest of the view. There's that golf course. Really beautiful. There's some pools. So you definitely get some pretty cool views from this room. Well, that concludes our stay here at the Palazzo.
Yeah, so overall the stay was pretty interesting. The room is really big and spacious.
Yes.
However, I will say neither one of us got very good sleep on the bed.
Yeah, it is definitely a very firm mattress, and the pillows are kind of like air-filled, it almost seems like. They kind of like deflate throughout the night. And then the room doesn't get that cool. So our room did not go probably below 70 degrees. It was a little warm and just kind of uncomfortable all night long.
He sleeps very warm. I sleep very cold. I was okay with the temperature, but I can see how he would have been warm because Gary likes it a little bit colder than I do. And it definitely, like, if it had been any warmer than what it was, I would have been hot. So I can definitely agree with him on that this room was not as cool as we usually get our rooms.
So if you need the space and you want a nice view, this is definitely the room to consider because it is really, really nice on both those accounts.
Just keep in mind you may not get the best night's sleep.
So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Ring that notification bell so you get notified we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye.
As we say goodbye to the bedroom. Goodbye, bedroom.
Where I got no sleep.
I found that. Wah, wah, wah.